This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Alright, back home, let's take a look at the results. So the MGS6 was actually quite fast, actually as fast as a Porsche Macan 4 or Hyundai Ioniq 5. So 5 seconds, okay, according to spec it's 5.1, so it's right on spec, actually slightly faster. 2.1 ton, not that many horsepower. So yeah, not much to say, it's just a family car, but it's quick enough. When it comes to noise level, kind of average, 65.6 decibel, slightly better than the D-Pile I tested recently. But then, okay, let's see here, compared to other cars, a Q4 e-tron actually, close to ES8. Yeah, but let me see, some of the best cars, what kind of noise levels do they have? ET7, that was amazing, 61 decibel average. So I mean, overall though, the MGS6 performs well. It's quick and it's quiet, comfortable, and also really spacious. And then the price is actually not that bad. So that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.